GCSE Maths Higher students, if you need a review on rationalising the denominator, then watch this quick video. Full length will be on YouTube. A surd is an irrational number, and we do not have irrational numbers as a denominator. This topic, rationalising the denominator, means turning the denominator into a rational number. Basically, we need to get rid of the surd. How do we get rid of a surd? We multiply the top and the bottom by that surd. If I do 4 times root 3, that gives me 4 root 3, and root 3 times root 3 gives me the number 3. We have removed the irrational number from the denominator. It does not matter that the numerator has an irrational number in it, just the denominator we're talking about. And by multiplying it by root 3 over root 3, it's the same as multiplying it by 1. Okay, so it hasn't affected the fraction at all. So 4 root 3 over 3 would be your final answer for that one. Now, that stands when you ever have just one single surd on the bottom. Just multiply it by that surd. However, we get examples where there's a surd with an integer. And in this instance, to remove this surd, what we do is we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the surd and then the negative of the same integer. So if it's a positive number, we're turning it into a negative, and if it's a negative, it goes to a positive. So we're multiplying the numerator and the denominator by, in this case, root 2 minus 1. Now, 3 times root 2 minus 1 gives us 3 root 2 minus 3. Make sure you're multiplying both parts by the integer. And then the 1 on the bottom, if we multiply those out, so we're going to start with root 2 times root 2, which makes 2. Root 2 times by negative 1 makes minus root 2. 1 multiplied by root 2 means positive root 2, and 1 multiplied by negative 1 gives me negative 1. And here's the magic look. We can see we've got minus root 2 plus root 2 that cancel each other out. So our final answer, on the numerator we've got 3 root 2 minus 3, and on the denominator we've simply got 2 subtract 1. 2 take away 1 is just 1. So we can simplify that to 3 root 2 minus 3. Now, very, very similar look when we have a fraction, but it's a negative integer on the bottom. We're now multiplying the top and the bottom by root 3 plus 2. Okay, that gives us then, on the numerator, we have 5 root 3 plus 10. 5 times root 3 is 5 root 3, 5 times 2 is 10. And on the denominator, root 3 times root 3 gives us 3, root 3 times positive 2 gives us positive 2 root 3, negative 2 root 3 gives us minus 2 root 3, minus 2 times 2 gives us negative 4. And once again, they simplify to 5 root 3 plus 10 over 3 take away 4, which is minus 1. We might then want to simplify that further to negative 10 minus 5 root 3. Simply changing the signs on the numerator. There we go.